Welcome to American Tackle's Microwave Flip-Off Challenge here at Fred Hall Show in Long Beach, California. This premier casting event has been featured in the industry's major shows, everything from ICAST to shows in Europe, and recently the Beijing Cast-Off in China. I'd like to introduce you to the host of today's event, Ben Stein.
The championship round here at the American Tackle Flip-Off. Everybody gather around. Thank you for joining us, ladies and gentlemen. Here we go. They're going to have 60 seconds to score as many points as possible. Outside ring is 1 point. Middle ring is 3 points. All right, here we go. Nick, are you ready? Zach, are you ready? All right, let's see if my thumb can keep up with the points here. 3, 2, 1, flip-off! Oh, and right out of the gate with a triple. Zach follows up with a single, and another triple. Single, single. I gotta really concentrate here and try. And another single, it's 9-3, 9-4. Another triple, 12-4, and another triple, and a single, and another single. 16-5, 16-6, 17-6, 36 seconds to go. Single, single, 18-7, another single. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Game! Join us next year at Fred Hall Show 2018. I want to thank you all so much. My name is Ben with American Tackle. American Tackle, out!